Is the BMW G310R worth buying now? Well, I get this a lot in the comments and in the DMs where I think about myself wondering similar stuff some 2 years back when I bought this motorcycle home. Recently, I made a short video about this stuff I don't like or I wish the BMW G310R had, which pinpointed some critical stuff. In today's video, I am going to share some really important out from the brochure practical stuff that you might be missing about this motorcycle. So first thing first that made me fall for this motorcycle is how easy to ride this motorcycle is. Let me break it down where people might praise the engine first, but the chassis is the absolute gem on this motorcycle. You sit in the motorcycle with almost perfectly placed handlebars. There is absolutely no learning curve, but on the other hand you will get that connect where the motorcycle boosts your confidence that will make you a better, perhaps a faster and a more skilled rider. Coming to the practical bits, the 310R also offers a decent ground clearance where I have taken it to a plenty of urban off-road and speed breakers without scraping the belly even once. The suspension also plays an important role here. This is a matured setup that is focused more towards the comfort that takes rough roads and provides comfort even during long rides. Don't expect it to be like the GS or the Himalayan, but it is fairly comfortable and plush for a street motorcycle. If there is something that stands out in this motorcycle, then that highlight for me has to be the brakes. The braking is sharp with an amazing feedback. I think better tires can take this even a level ahead, but very few motorcycles can provide the feedback which this one offers. On the other side, the ABS is very well calibrated and does not intrude much into regular riding. Usually, motorcycle reviews focus on the engine, where I am fairly happy with the 310R. The engine has got a character to it, where it is fun inside this city, where we can even pull through higher gears at low speeds. There is no lag in the acceleration with almost instant pull. Post 4500-5000 RPM, the engine enters a different zone. I call it the performance zone, where the rush of the charge in the engine automatically pulls a smile across your face. The gearbox and engine combo is versatile across the rev range with minimum vibrations, and it is efficient as well, where most of the time I get 30 plus kilometers per liter of efficiency, which I think is decent for a 300cc performance machine. One more point which I think must be highlighted about this machine is the engine braking offered by the G310R. Although we get a slipper clutch, but the engine braking is strong and it helps the rider in slowing down and controlling the speeds, especially during hill rides. If you see this motorcycle as a complete package, then the G310R tries to tick most of the boxes with a solid yes while being practical. I personally am a big admirer of its clean and simple design, especially in this cosmic black shade. It's almost timeless for me. This is a conventional motorcycle design and I like it this way, as it is seen in the industry that most futuristic designs are the one that first go out of trend or what they call as outdated. This also brings me to my observation list of the past 2 years, and I can clearly see I have a lot more to share about this machine, which I will soon try to cover in segments in the upcoming videos, as we also have some interesting projects cooking in. So keep a check on the channel. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.